Hi everyone, my name is Moira and I'm the 2026 IEEE Potentials Student Editor. In this video, I will show you how to find IEEE Potentials on IEEE Xplore. First, go to IEEE Xplore website. In the main search bar, type IEEE Potentials and click the search button. On the results page, locate IEEE Potentials in the related publication section and click on it to access the magazine official page. On the home page, you can learn more about the magazine's aim and scope. You can also explore its popular, recent, and most cited articles. To explore the latest edition, select Current Issue. There, you can view the complete table of contents and select an article by clicking on its title or PDF icon. You can also select all issues to browse the complete IEEE Potentials archive, choosing a decade, year, and issue to explore articles published throughout the magazine's history. Some full text content may require you to sign in using your IEEE account or institutional access. And that's how you can find IEEE Potentials on IEEE Xplore. Start browsing and discover articles created especially for students, young professionals, and technology enthusiasts.